How to add an ink intro and outro effect in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video to my timeline. I also added this ink footage to my timeline. You can download such clips from sites like Pexels or Pixabay for free. Drag the ink footage to the second track and position it to the start of your clip. Here I want the white part to stay and remove the black parts. So, in the inspector, change composite mode to multiply. If you wanted the whites to stay and remove blacks, change composite mode to screen. Now we have this ink intro transition. Hold down the Alt key and drag the ink intro to the end of your clip to create a duplicate from it. Then right-click on it and select Change Clip Speed. Check the Reverse Speed checkbox and click Change. And now we have this ink outro as well. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.